Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you the location of the OBD-2 port or diagnostic port. This video will apply to these vehicles made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the OBD-2 port is located under the steering wheel, so I will turn on the flash and I will zoom in a bit so you can see it better. And if I will look under it, you will see it's located right here, this black connector. And you will need OBD-2 scanner to be able to connect to that port and get the trouble codes from the vehicle's computer. But here is the OBD-2 port. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.